Ford revealed the new Ranger Stormtrak, exciting, limited edition model building on the style and capability of the company's award-winning pickup. Ranger Stormtrak is a premium truck offering distinctive styling and premium features for customers that value outstanding capability and a generous specification to support their active work and lifestyle needs. Based on the premium Ranger Wildtrak series, the new Ranger Stormtrak delivers even higher specification with further enhanced comfort features and unique finishes. A limited run of vehicles will be built to ensure exclusivity, available as double cab for spacious rear seating or super cab for increased load area. Striking rapid red paint is unique to Ranger Stormtrak, complementing the exclusive red grille insert that contributes to the muscular front styling. LED headlights also feature, and rugged underbody protection as standard delivers serious road presence. Frozen white and blue lightning paint options are also available. Ranger Stormtrak's powerful look is enhanced by exclusive bonnet and body side decals, chunky three-dimensional badging and a black rear bumper and sports hoop. The Ranger Stormtrak interior further enhances the model with premium specification and practical features. Stormtrak-specific seats feature the same supple leather as Ford's iconic Ranger Raptor, accentuated with embroidered Stormtrak logos and bolsters trimmed with technical fabric. Tinted graphite interior surfaces and red stitching throughout mirror Stormtrak's unmistakable exterior palette. In addition, a bed liner, load divider, and Ford's new power roller shutter feature as standard, providing greater convenience and practicality when moving cargo. Ranger Stormtrak also retains the 1.0-ton payload and 3,500 kilograms maximum towing weight delivered by the popular Wildtrak series. All Ranger Stormtrak models are equipped with Ford's range-topping bi-turbo 213 PS 2.0-liter EcoBlue diesel engine developing 500 Nm of torque for outstanding pulling power. A standard selectable four-wheel drive system offers confident off-road performance, while the advanced 10-speed automatic gearbox delivers a smooth, effortless driving experience. The new Ranger Stormtrak Limited Edition will arrive in dealerships across Europe from October this year, adding further breadth to Ford's award-winning lineup of Ranger variants for a wide range of customers, including the thrilling Ranger Raptor, rally-inspired Ranger MSRT and recently announced Ranger Chassis Cab.